lot o blant well gan nhw ddysgu ac wneud rhywbeth, wneud rhywbeth ymarferol. Ac wrth gwrs, dyna be mae'r prosiect yma yn galluogi ni wneud, wrth cael ymarferwyr fewn o tu allan a wneud gwaith ymarferol gyda'r plant.
This is a no-brainer because you've got a creative professional who's an expert in their field. And then you've got the class teacher. These two people in partnership, I believe, have truly got the key to success.
Creativity is in all things, and it needs to be at the forefront really of education, because you can apply creative skills to maths, to numbers, in all things really.
The Lead Creative Schools projects do offer increased opportunities for pupils to more directly and immediately influence their learning.
A falle oherwydd y disgyblion at dewis i bob pwrpas ble oedd y prosiect yn mynd, pwy oedd yr artist o'n i'n gweithio gyda, maen nhw bendant yn cael y perchnogaeth ar y prosiect.
What I liked about Creative School was it gave me confidence. It made me speak out much louder in class, and with my free writing, it made all my imagination just burst out of me.
As a teacher, I spent a long time trying to find ways to engage my learners. I'm continually surprised how engagement is not even a question when it comes to a creative project.
Fi'n credu mai prawf o lwyddiant y cynllun yw bod ysgolion yn dymuno rhaiadru'r holl brofiad yma i ddisgyblion eraill a blynyddoedd eraill o fewn yr ysgol ac i athrawon eraill. Nid rhywbeth ynysig yw e.
This is our future generation, and from the project that we've just done, if those children's self-esteem is raised, then that is massive, because that can affect their lives. You know, if they believe in themselves, then they're going to achieve. And that to me is just amazing.